Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start!
Conversation 1. Jack, do you know the area? Pretty much. What do you want to know? I'm looking for a place to live that's near to where I work and study. What type of accommodation are you looking for? I'm thinking of a flat. How about an apartment? There is one where you only need to take a 5-minute walk to get to the city center. I'm afraid an apartment is over my budget right now. I'm looking for somewhere cheaper to rent, but also has a nice neighborhood. Well, there are lots of flats, but they are quite far from where you work. How far is it? About half an hour walk? That's not too bad. I'll think of it as my workout. Conversation 2. Sonia, I heard you were moving to a new house next week. Yes, you heard right, John. So you're not renting the house in Pakenham Street anymore? No, I'm not. The rent price has gone up drastically. It has become too expensive to live there. And this new house you're moving into? Are you renting it? I'm renting to own it. I got a pretty good deal for it. And now, instead of just paying rent every year, I can use that money towards the purchase price. Rent to own. That's very interesting. I wonder if I should get one myself. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. Do you know the area? What type of accommodation are you looking for? It's over my budget right now. I'm looking for somewhere cheaper to rent. I'm looking for a house in a nice neighborhood. The rent price has gone up drastically. It has become too expensive to live there. I'm looking for a house to rent. I'm looking for a house to buy. I'm looking for a flat. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.